Moving on to AUDUSD on the daily time frame, we can see we've got our break of structure in towards the upside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. We noted before that we were expecting a reaction from either this low or this low here, but we did also say that if we took out this low, it may be possible that we take out the swing low before we see any upside. We can also say that this is the supply zone that's still in control. However, it's not particularly strong because it's not a sweep zone. It didn't sweep any liquidity, and there is no liquidity in this move here. So what I would do is I'd set an alert on this low and on this low here, and then just see what happens and monitor what price does from these areas. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we've obviously got to break the 4-hour swing to get the higher probability positions. That's the 4-hour break of structure down. This high is strong because it liquidated something. This is the current swing range that we're trading within. If we've seen a break and a close above this high here, which is the high of the supply zone that's in control, we could see some upside. I am definitely wanting to see these points of liquidity get taken. And then if we are going to see some more consistent upside from AUD, I want to see a break of this high here itself. I feel like there's a lot of room for this to trade up. If we move on to NZDUSD, we can see on the daily time frame that we've had our break of structure here, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. We liquidated this low over here, which then caused a shift bullish, but we failed to put in a new higher high, and we have since been respecting supply as we've been selling off quite heavily. We've still got this supply zone here that's in control. We are trading just after an internal break of structure, so this could mean that any retracement towards this supply zone could be that further short to start targeting the lows. At this point, it's more than likely that we take out this low here before seeing any upside. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we've had a break of structure over here, followed by another break of structure over here. This is similar to AU in that this high here is very strong because it liquidated this high, and this is the swing high. It's very choppy price action down towards the bottom since the middle of last week. But what I would anticipate is another swipe of these lows here, creating this area of supply, where if we see the high break, we could then anticipate more upside. But this one does need a lot more momentum before you enter. This price action is not anything that you want to be trading.